Oh, wait. May good news ako sa'yo. Alam mo ba na deserving ka? Tama, deserving ka rin naman talaga eh. Lahat ng mga nangyari sa buhay mo, deserve mo yun. Whether it's good, whether it's bad, deserve mo yun. Eto, let's be realistic. Whatever happens on our life is based on the decision that we made before. Di ba lahat naman nangyari sa buhay natin is based on the decision we made before. Kaya kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan natin ngayon, deserve natin yun. Kasi nag-decide tayo before. Kung ano man yung decision natin na nagawa, meron yung ripple effect in the future. So kung meron ka na-experience ngayon, it's either positive or negative, deserve mo yan. Kasi nag-decide ka. Nagkaroon ka ng decision before. Ngayon, eto na yung nare-reap mong effect. Eto na yung nare-reap mong reward. Deserving ka naman talaga. Walang duda. Kaya kung ano yung magiging decisions mo today, right now, on this very moment, every second, every minute, every hour, we're doing a lot of decisions in our life. Kaya whatever decisions you are doing right now at the present moment, for sure, meron niyang effect in the future. Kaya be grateful na gagawin mo. Be thankful. Kaya be critical on whatever decision that you will make today because it will affect your life in future.